Welcome to Fenix Radiator's Vlogs. We're going to be taking you through on different videos on showcasing our products and how you can do it at home and put them into your own vehicles. So we've got our Fenix JZX100 Chaser here, which is over the next coming months, and then next little while is me receiving a bit of a transformation with our new power plant and a whole heap of our Fenix and our parts goodies going into this Chaser. So today we're going to show you how easy it is to put one of our 52mm Pro Series radiators into this vehicle, and it's as simple as pulling the radiator out and putting it in. It really is, and you can do it at home. So follow me through a couple of the quick steps to get it ready to remove this radiator. I've just jacked it up on the stands now, and we're going to drain the coolant. While the coolant's draining underneath, we're going to come up top and we're going to take off the hoses, the pipes, and start extracting the radiator out the top. So we just need simple tools. In this case we're just going to need a 10mm on a ratchet and some adjustable pliers for the hose clamps that go for our radiator hoses. A couple of connections for our electric fans that we have inside this Toyota. And we take those out so we can easily remove it up the top. Right, we're nearly ready to pull it out the top. We've just got two more things to do. That's the bottom hose off and then our bottom strap for our Viscous fan shroud. So it's still running a factory Toyota Viscous fan shroud. We've got a bottom strap under that allows us to lift the shroud up and over the Viscous fan without having to remove the fan. So we're just going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll be able to pull this radiator out and start swapping fan shrouds. Now we get to the part where we're unboxing the new product. Today we're going to be using the 52mm Pro Series, and it's our version 2, which has just landed here in New Zealand. So we're going to be unboxing this. We've just depackaged our 2 silicone hoses we're going to use in this application as well. So these are our Fenix silicone hose kit for JZX100. Got some fresh hose clamps on there as well to replace those factory Toyota ones, and then one of our brand new Fenix performance caps. So we'll get into unboxing this, and then we'll start swapping fan shrouds. Right, so we just unboxed the new radiator, the Pro Series JZX radiator. A couple of new additions to these things for the version 2 of the Fenix alloy range. We've got an MPT bung up here for your thermo boss, whether it be a gauge or a fan switch. We've got a billet drain bung which comes out here, so no more plastic. These are really well designed, and yeah, so we're going to get ready to get this thing with the fan shroud swapped from the factory radiator onto our aluminium radiator and get it ready to go back in the car. Right, so now we've got our fan shroud bolted to our new radiator. We've got our thermo switch placed in, and we're going to rubber mount on the bottom of the radiator to sit it nice in between those chaser rails. We're going to go ahead and slot it in through the front and then start putting our hoses back on. Jesus. Rightio, so it's all installed, we're all bled up, and we've finished the radiator swap. So we did it with some simple tools here at home. You guys can be able to do this easily at home yourself on any of your vehicles. Once we installed the radiator, we filled it up obviously with the coolant, the red Toyota coolant, and then we ended up turning the heater system on to bleed the cooling system. So it's nice and hot inside coming through, our thermostat's open, both our pipes are hot. Just wait for it to cool down now, and we'll top it back up with radiator fluid. So thank you very much for watching this, and we hope to bring you some more insights and some more Fenix products very soon. Cheers.